how are you? This is the last chapter in first term, Unit 9, Go Green, Environmentalist. An environmentalist is a person who is concerned with issues that affect the environment like pollution, deforestation, etc. He or she works to improve and protect the quality of the natural environment through the implementation of environment-friendly ways of life. Read the description given below and identify the environmentalist. You can take help from the given clues. Okay. She alerted the world of the impact of fertilizers and pesticides on the environment through her book Silent Spring. She condemned the indiscriminate use of pesticides. Rachel Carson. She founded the Green Belt movement in Africa and helped to plant millions of trees, providing jobs to the unemployed while also preventing soil erosion. She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2004. Wangari Maathai. As governor of New York, he outlawed the use of feathers to prevent the killing of birds. As president of USA, he enthusiastically pursued soil and water conservation and set up many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Theodore Roosevelt. This Indian serves as the chairperson of Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change IPCC since 2002. Rajendra Kumar Pachwari. For almost 2 years, she lived in the branches of an ancient redwood tree in northern California to save it from being felled. Julia Butterfly Hill. He is the founder of the Save Google movement. This community-based conservation effort is aimed to conserve threatened plant species, particularly the Google. Vineet Soni. She started the organization People of Animals. It is the largest organization for animal rights and welfare in India. Menaka Gandhi. Next, natural calamities. Volcanoes are thought to have played an important role in the emergence of life on the earth. Earthquakes signal the movement of Earth's tectonic plates which build mountains. However, these are also only two of the deadly natural disasters we are exposed to living on the earth. There are many such calamities which disturb life on earth from time to time. First, on November 8, 2013, this storm tore through the Philippines, claiming more than 6,000 lives and injuring 27,000. Nearly 4 million Filipinos were rendered homeless from storm's impact. It is widely recognized as one of the worst storms to hit our planet in recent history. Haiyan storm. On September 24, 2013, a disaster struck southwest Pakistan, followed by another the next day. They had magnitude of 7.7 and 6.8 respectively. They claimed more than 800 lives. Earthquake. On May 20, 2013, this natural disaster struck the Oklahoma City area, damaging homes and impacting 2 elementary schools. 24 people were killed and more than 100 others were injured due to the disaster. Tornado. Nearly 1 million people were evacuated before this disaster hit India in October 2013. It had packing winds of 155 mph with gusts of up to 190 mph. 27 people lost their lives due to it. Philian cyclone. In June 2013, a new study revealed that this natural disaster in Africa between the 1970s and 1990s was caused by pollution from the US and Europe. It killed hundreds of thousands of people during this period. 1 million people out of Nabia is 2.3 million population are threatened by moderate to serious malnutrition due to it. Namibia's drought. In June 2013, a huge cloudburst caused these natural disasters in Uttarakhand state. Consequently, more than 5,700 people were assumed dead and more than 1 lakh pilgrims were trapped in the valleys leading to the Kedarnath shrine. Flash floods and landslides. Children, these are the first term syllabus. Again, I am telling first term syllabus. You can check it. Syllabus Unit 1, 7 to 10 pages. Unit 4, Unit 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 also there. Okay. Study well.